It provides a sense of stability, a sense of community, a sense of belonging for families.
They're not only worrying about their child being in the hospital, but how am I going to afford to stay in a hotel long term? How am I going to afford to cook and eat? There's so many little things that these families have to think about. With the Ronald McDonald House, they don't have to think about any of those things.
My sister is a survivor of childhood cancer, and I became involved with the Ronald McDonald House because my family used the Ronald McDonald House. Stefanie Hall, House Program Director. Well maintained as our house is, and as much as our staff works to take care of it, it is, as I say, a 40-year-old house that is in need of maintenance at all times.
It was really a unique project. They had two large openings. One was more recently renovated, and one was more original to the property. So the tricky thing there was we needed both of the windows to look identical from the outside.
I'm personally excited about this project because it has such a meaningful impact. The fact that we are able to contribute to Ronald McDonald House, it's incredible to be able to give back to a group that is already giving back so much.
We were excited to partner with them, and we were even more excited that we could give them a solution that was turnkey and still matched the look and the aesthetic that is important to the property there.
We were really fortunate to connect with Ronald McDonald House Charities and find out that they had this need.
When you support Ronald McDonald House of Southwest Virginia, you are supporting your local families.
If we didn't have Renewal by Andersen coming and changing these windows, eventually we would have to do it ourselves, and that comes out of the dollars that are going back to support these families. It's why we can do what we do and do as much as we do and help more families and help them better.
Yeah, Renewal Cares is a big part of Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia and Roanoke. It really demonstrates what the company's about. It's a company that's not just about bottom line, it's not just about making money, but it's about helping others. Because not only are we going to take care of the project, but we're going to stand behind you, like we stand behind the community.